Hey lovelies, so I did this video when my son was 11 months old, if I'm not wrong. So please disregard what I say about me not finding the Tommy TP sleeping bag very practical for changing the baby. It is amazing. I actually decided to keep both bags and I have been using them for about 4 months now and I don't regret it. So I definitely recommend both bags. I guess I just needed time to figure out how the bag works. Hey lovely, so I just got these two sleeping bags. It's getting a bit colder during the night and I just wanted to find something that works for my son. He's currently 11 and a half months old, so I wasn't sure which one to get. So this one here has free feet, so you I'm gonna show you on the other side. You can see you can either leave it like this or you can pull the leg area here down to the feet and it kind of turns into a sock. So depending on how warm it is or how cold it is during the night, you can either use it like this for the baby, and you have to put into consideration how old your baby is and how cold your room is. So the tog here helps you know how to dress your baby during the night. So I got this in size 6 to 18 months and it's the 2.5 tog. And this one here, so this is the Tommy TP grow bag. Sorry, I didn't mention that. The second one here is the Ego Baby 2-in-1 on the move sleeping bag. So it's a bit different, but I think that it's lighter than this one here. And what happens is the feet come out from the sides. So with this one, you can have it as a regular sleeping bag, as shown here on the left, or you can change it into this. So just from touching the material here, it seems quite soft. And they also have the same instructions here on how to dress your baby depending on the temperature of the room. So yeah, I'm just gonna unbox this and I will do a quick video to show you guys how they look like. So I hope one of these will work out for him. So I might keep both of them if I like both, but if I only prefer one of these, I'm gonna have to send one back. So I will start with this one here, the Tommy TP grow bag. I think I might need a scissor or something, don't know. Let's see. So we've put that aside. Excuse my hashy hands. I have been cleaning. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Wait a minute. So this is it. It kind of looks smaller than I thought. I don't know how this can fit a 6 to 18-month-old. So it comes with a zipper on the side, which I really like. So let's see how this works when you need to change the baby. So here on the foot you have these rubbery thingies just to help the baby not slip when they're walking. And yeah, you can either just have his feet come out through here or turn this into a sock and you fold it over his toes like that. I really love the print. The material is super soft and yeah, it does seem smaller. So if you have a tall baby, I think you're gonna have to size up on this. The material is beautiful. They actually come in different prints, but I liked this one better. So it also comes with this neck protector. It comes with a neck protector. So it comes with a neck protector so that the zip doesn't rub on your baby's neck like that. It's pretty good quality. So I basically just have, like, I think this is a panda, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, panda, stars, and yeah, just some drawings on it like that. It's really good. I need to figure out how you change the baby. Okay, so oh my god, this is so good. So it has two zips, one that goes up like that, one goes down and one goes up. So I think when you need to change the baby, you zip this all the way, you unzip it all the way up. And okay, I don't think it's very practical. Maybe this is meant for babies that can sleep throughout the night in one diaper. So I am not sure how this is really gonna be a bit tricky for me. Yeah, because I was hoping that it would go all the way up and kind of just unzip on the side, to the side like this, but nope. It is not practical for changing the baby at night. The material is very soft and I think it will keep the baby quite warm. But the zipping technique doesn't do it for me. So I'm gonna have to see if the other one is better. I'm gonna have to see which one works best. So yeah, but I really love the print and the material, but the zip isn't what I thought it would be, and it would just frustrate me so much at night when I'm so tired and I need to change the baby quickly and get him back to sleep. So yeah, but all in all, it's a decent price. I got this for 60 francs. Yeah, so let's see the next one. So this is the Ego Baby and it's in the size medium, which is 6 to 18 months, and 15 to 28 pounds, which is 6.8 to 12.7 kilos, and 24.5 to 33 inches, which is 62.2 to 83.8 centimeters. And the tog is 2.5. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So yeah, let's open these. It comes with an instruction manual, which the Tommy TP grow bag doesn't come with. So in here you have different languages and different instructions on how to change it to the working mode, sleep mode, how to put it on, how to adjust it, and yeah. Oh, you can also use this with a separate harness. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay. Ooh. All right, I think this does feel thicker than the Tommy TP one. So it is really thick. This is probably good for like during winter. So first of all, I love the print. I love the color. I love that the zip also comes with two zips that one goes up, the other one comes down. So I guess it is a bit more practical for changing the baby at night. It comes with these, I don't know what these are for though. So this is where the legs come through, and if you don't want to use the feet out, you just push it back in and then clip it like that. And depending on how big your baby is, you can see they have additional clippers here on the side, so you just undo that and adjust it depending on your baby's height. So I guess this here will clip either of these two. Like that. His or her feet will come out of here, so that he or she can be able to walk properly without being trapped or tangled in. And the other side is just the same as the other one. Oh, it also has like a hole here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a hole here, I think, to help regulate the temperature when the baby is sleeping. Let's see what's on the other side. Yeah, so this is where the hole is. It also has adjustable straps, you can see, so you either shorten it or to make it longer. I'm gonna have to just sit down and look at this more to decide which one I'm gonna keep, but this is definitely thicker, and the other one feels, the Tommy Tippy feels lighter and softer than this. Our room is normally between 19 to 22 degrees with the windows closed. Overall, I like both qualities, but I kind of prefer this one because it's easier for me to change the baby with the way the zip is located than the first one that I showed you guys. And yeah, so I hope you like the video, and I hope that this video will help somebody that's looking to find. I'm just going to take a photo to show you guys what the exact color is, because my lighting is messing it up a bit.
So after a couple of months of using the Tommy TP sleeping bag, I've gotten used to changing the baby regardless of how the zip is located. It doesn't bother me at all, and it's quite easy, so I definitely recommend it as well.